Hello, my name is Alireza Sanjerani, a programmer and a passionate student of artificial intelligence at IO Learn Academy. We've all been amazed by the creativity of large language models. AI models like GPT can generate endless stories and poems with diverse combinations and approaches. Now, ask yourself this: why can't our multi-million dollar robots with bodies far more powerful than our own be as creative and adaptable as a chatbot? The problem is this: these robots can learn, but they cannot reason. They are capable of execution, but not adaptation. It is this inability to reason that causes a small change in the environment to completely paralyze them. To tackle this grand challenge, I designed NEOS. NEOS is a robotic operating system that empowers machines with creative reasoning. At its core, NEOS is an ecosystem of specialists. Imagine that instead of a single brain, each robot has a team of digital masters called artisans. Each artisan is a small AI model optimized for a specific task: one for finding objects, one for navigation, one for grasping an object. But the question is, who leads this team and tells them what to do and in what sequence? This is where two other critical components come in. First, a module named Auto, which perceives a complex world through sensors and translates it into a simple, comprehensible report, giving the maestro a full understanding of the context. And then we come to Maestro, the beating heart and the core innovation of NEOS. Think about this example. How does GPT guess the next word in a sentence? By understanding the context and the grammar of the language, it predicts the most probable and creative word. Maestro does exactly the same thing with skills, but with a unique and innovative approach. Maestro is an encoder-decoder transformer model that has learned the grammar of problem solving. At any given moment, it analyzes four crucial inputs. What is the context? The report it receives from Oro. What is the ultimate goal? The user's command or a predefined task. What tools do I have? The list of available artisans. And finally, and most importantly, who am I? What is my persona? This persona crafting is one of NEOS's key and monetizable innovations. We can give the same maestro brain different personalities by training a small adaptive layer. A robot in a hospital takes on the persona of a cautious nurse always prioritizing patient safety. And a robot in a national park embodies the persona of a park ranger trained to minimize its impact on nature. This means any organization can have robots with personalities perfectly customized and aligned with their values. Let's see how this works in practice. In this simple prototype, Maestro is instructed to sort the samples. By analyzing the situation and being aware of its available skills, it begins to intelligently predict the next necessary skill, synthesizing a complete roadmap. Then, this plan is executed. This isn't just a script, it's the live execution of a thought created just moments ago. But the true power of NEOS lies in its full architecture, which transforms this intelligence into an industrial-grade, stable, and universal system. Maestro's roadmap is handed over to Naxos, our project manager, which oversees its step-by-step execution. Synapse is the system's universal translator. Built on industry standards like ROS 2, it allows NEOS to run on any robot, from a factory arm to a service robot. But the innovation of NEOS doesn't stop at individual intelligence. We've also engineered for collective intelligence. Skill Hub, a global marketplace and app store for robotic skills. Any developer, anywhere in the world, can build a new artisan. For instance, an environmental engineer could develop an artisan for identifying and collecting microplastics from beaches and publish it on Skill Hub. This means a robot on the shores of Australia can learn a skill that was created yesterday by a researcher in Germany. This creates a powerful network effect, leading to the exponential growth of intelligence across all NEOS connected robots. This is the same model that transformed the computer market with Windows and the mobile market with Android. NEOS is not just a technology, it's an investment in the future. An adaptable robot is a longer lasting robot, which helps reduce e-waste. This is a sustainable approach to robotics. This idea was born from a personal challenge and has grown with my passion for learning. NEOS is an engineered roadmap for a future where machines will be our creative and adaptive partners, in solving our greatest problems. Thank you.